Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're all fine by God's grace. This is B. Vijayavahini, MSc BEd, APSET qualified in Life Sciences and Life Sciences faculty for occasional courses. Now, I stand before you to give some important instructions for AP SSC exam preparation students. I'm here to give some important instructions for 10th class students to attend their public exam without any fear and tension. Anybody is there? Okay. Dear students, please welcome to Shine of Education from Light of Bible channel in YouTube. And I hope you can find search for this video and get right opportunity for scoring well in your exams. Okay, in this video, I will explain AP SSC Biology Exam Model Paper Pattern with giving some important instructions and some important exam tips before going to your exam. Okay, are you prepared well for your exam? I hope you already prepared for your exam. I hope you already prepared for your biology exam. Nearly at month and you will have biology exam, especially for 10th class students who are going to write. Okay, coming to the point. Okay, are you able to look at me? And are you able to listen what I am saying? Okay. Um, some person says thank you. Okay, welcome. Welcome, my dear student. Okay, please have a better look at this video and prepare well for your exam without any fear and tension. Why? Because you are firstly going to public exams without having any experience of public exams. For this purpose, generally, uh, some of students will have some fear and tension. Some can feel nervous. So please leave your tension and unnecessary fear about exam. If you thoroughly practiced some important concepts, you don't have to fear about your exam. Okay? You must have situational approach and you must apply to your daily situations, especially for your biology exam. If you can prepare like this, definitely you will get uh, best result in your biology exam. It is related to our nature and applications of our daily life. So you don't need to fear about your biology exam. Okay. Good evening, my dear students. Okay. AP SSC Biology Exam pattern is here now. The biology exam will be conducted for 50 marks totally. One second, I will rotate to uh, some important instructions written in my notebook. Please have a look at that notebook. Okay, this is my notebook. I think, are you able to see the question paper or main heading? AP SSC Biology Model Paper Pattern and Marking Scheme with Instructions. Okay, this biology exam has 50 marks to gain or to score. Um, this exam will be conducted in duration of 2 hours. In 2 hours duration, you all will have to complete your biology exam without any delay. But one important thing that you have to consider in a wise manner, that is, before going to perform your biology exam, you must read all the question paper and all questions um, what are given in the exam paper. Okay. In this biology model paper, you have to gain 50 marks for all questions. You have totally 4 sections like section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. 4 sections will contain 17 questions totally. In 4 sections, you will find 17 questions. Four sections of 17 questions. Okay. You will have to answer 17 questions from 4 sections. Okay. You must read question paper very clearly before going to write your exam. What type of questions are given in the question paper? Um, in section 1, you will find 6 questions. Uh, Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6. Question number 1 to question number 6 will be given in section 1. Each question carries 1 mark. If you write answers for 6 questions, you will get 6 marks for every question. In this section, you will have 1 mark for every question. 1 mark question. You have to answer for this question in minimum 1 line. You have to answer for this question in 1 line or in 1 sentence. That 1 sentence or that 1 line is enough to get 1 mark. It is easy to write the answer for this type of questions in section 1. Okay. In this section 1, generally you will find some definitions of some important concepts. For example, define photosynthesis or write the equation of photosynthesis. Define respiration or write the equation of respiration like this. You have to write definition in 1 sentence or in 1 line. Then you will get definitely 1 mark for that question. Okay. Next section 2. Section 2. In this section 2, you will find 4 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. Then you will get 8 marks for total 4 questions. You will find question number 7, question number 8, question number 9, question number 10. So question number 7 to question number 10 will be present in this section 2. Okay. Each question carries 2 marks. Okay. For section 1 and for section 2, you will have no choice for any question. You have to answer every question in section 1 and section 2. In section 1, you have to answer 6 questions. You should not leave any question in section 1, and you should not leave any question in section 2. It means you have no choice for any question in these two sections. Okay. In the section 2, each question carries 2 marks. You will have to answer for every question in this section about 2 lines or in 2 sentences. Each answer will need 2 sentences or 2 lines or 2 points. You have to mention 2 important points, particularly which can explain concept very clearly. Then only you will get 2 marks totally for every question. Otherwise, you will lose some marks. For example, you will get 1 mark only for 2 marks question, or you will get half mark only for 2 marks question, or you will get 1.5 marks for 2 marks question. So you should mention or write 2 important, very important points that can explain concept very clearly. In this way, you will get 2 out of 2 marks for each 2 marks question. Thus, you will get total 8 marks for this section 2. I hope you can understand what I am telling. Okay, next going to section 3. In this section, you will find 5 questions. You will find 5 questions. Each question will carries 4 marks. Thus, you will get 20 marks for section 3. You will find question number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will find question number 11 to question number 15 will be present in section 3. But in this section 3, you should notice very, very, very important, that is 12th question has choice. 12th question has choice. In this section, you will find 4 marks questions. Total 5 questions. Among 5 questions, only 1 question has, that is question number 12, choice. You will find 2 questions in question number 2, that is A and B. You have to answer A or B. You have to leave A or B. You have to write A only or B only. That question will carry 4 marks. Okay, I hope you can answer all questions in this section 3. You will find very, very some important conceptual questions in this section 3. You will have to answer this question in or with very, very important 5 points or 8 points. You have to mention 5 important points or 7 important points. You can extend to 8 lines also, but with good time management only. If you don't have enough time, you should minimize your answer to 5 points exactly. 5 very, very important points are enough to get total 4 marks. Otherwise, you have to get, otherwise, you will have to get 3 marks only for 4 marks question. So, you should write very important 5 points compulsory for each and every question of this section. Okay, or mention very important 4 points can be given in this section, but don't limit to 3 points. Otherwise, we'll have to lose marks, some marks of total marks. 2 marks, 1 mark, 3 marks for 4 marks question. It is looking some bad incomplete answer. That can be called as incomplete answer. Okay, next going to section 4. Next going to section 4. In this section, you will find essay questions. In section 3, we have short answers. Carry 4 marks. In section 4, you will have essay questions. 2 essays will be given in section 4. Each question carries 8 marks. You will get 16 marks for total 2 questions. You will find question number 16 to question number 17. Question number 16 and question number 17 will be present in section 4. Each question carries 8 marks. You will have to give answer about 10 points for each question. But in this section, you have choice. Question number 16 has choice, that is A or B. A or B. You have to answer A only or B only. A has 1 question, B has 1 question. You have to you have to answer 1 question from A or B. And you have to answer A or B in question number 17. You have to write answer for A or B only. Thus, you will get 8 marks for each question for question number 16 and question number 17. Don't be limited to 5 points for this section. You will have to answer about 8 points or 10 points compulsory. Those are very important, which can explain concept or procedure of any experiment very clearly with some important steps. Generally, we'll find experiment questions in this section. For example, explain the procedure of some experiment like respiration experiment or photosynthesis experiment, light reaction or dark reaction, etc. like this. Or seed germination. Okay. So definitely you will find question related to procedure of any procedure of experiment. Any experiment can be given here from first 2 units from life processes that can be related to photosynthesis, digestive system, from Unit 1 or respiration of plants and animals from Unit 2. Definitely, you will find some important experiments from 2 units in this section. You have to write all steps of that particular procedure of any experiment in this section. You should mention every step from right beginning to end. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, result, conclusion, like this. Then you will get 8 marks for each question. You don't write all points sometimes. At the time, you will have to lose some marks. You will not get complete marks for each question. Your answers will be incomplete if you write without giving all steps. Okay. My dear students, I hope you understand the exam pattern. And you could leave your fear, tension about your biology exam. You have to clear your exam very easy if you thoroughly practice every important concept from your biology textbook. AP SSC Board of Examination has some important website, a government website, AP government website. You'll find some sets of questions which are important. You can practice those important questions in that website. You can go to that government, AP government website and practice those important questions in the form of some important sets. Set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, set 5, set 6 model papers. Okay. In this time, you have to practice well. You should not do any mistakes unnecessarily. You should have to mention correct question number. Otherwise, you will answer for some other question which is not related. In the time, you will lose important marks. So please mention question number correctly for your answer. Section 1, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 answer, question number 5 answer. In that manner, question number 17, but question number 12, A or B. Question number 12, A answer. Question number 12, B answer. And in section 4, question number 16, A answer. Question number 16, B answer. Question number 17, A answer. Question number 17, B answer. In this way, you have to answer for your questions of biology exam paper. Write very clearly and neatly. for every question. Write your answers very neatly and clearly for every question. You should have good handwriting. If you don't have good handwriting, please maintain some particular gap between um, word and word, line and line. Should give some space between words or between lines or sentences. Okay? Don't make question paper unclean. That can lead to bad impression for your correction in the time of results. So very carefully, without any tension and fear, just write the answers very clearly and neatly for every question. I hope you will get um, 50 marks out of 50 marks for your biology exam. All the best for your AP SSC Biology exam, and I hope you get 100% of marks for your biology exam. And you will have some diagrams in the form of questions. So you have to draw neat diagram for 4 marks or 2 marks in essay question also. Like experiments, you have to draw some beakers, test tubes very clearly and very neatly. Then only you can get 100 marks out of 100 marks, 100% of marks. Dear students, all the best, all the best to write your exam well and to score well. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Please subscribe for most important concepts of biology exam from Shine of Education in Light of Bible channel. If you can subscribe and make others subscribe, I will give some important concepts of biology exam in this channel. So please keep watching, stay tuned and subscribe. Okay? Bye.